Okay.
But the eagle over there, you can see there, and then you can see the coyote and the fox.
Yeah, like the otter's over there. Like there's some cool stuff in here. Here's a hairy plants. There's this wolf. And then here are the poisonous snakes replicas. This is a copperhead. Hey buddy. Copperhead snake. Timber rattlesnake. And there's a western cottonmouth. Cade, one of the snakes are moving over here. It's an eagle. There's an eagle over here. Hi, Mr. Eagle. There's an owl up there, guys. Really cool owl. No howling or taunting the coyote. Well, here's a coyote. Hi, Mr. Coyote. Beautiful, this Mr. Coyote. Wiley Coyote, here, look at me. There you are. Oh, so good. Up, he's going back into his second pen. Well, oh well, no, he's coming back out. Hi, Mr. Otter.
Is he out?
Yeah, he's right here.
That's the beaver.
No, that's the otter.
Oh, where's the... Oh, yeah. Look,
Oh, the beaver's out too.
And there's the otter. They're both out.
The beaver wasn't out when we were over here this morning.
Yeah, and the otter got fed and then left.
Oh, he's swimming. There he goes. Swimming. You can see his bubbles when he swims. See the bubbles, Dad, when he swims? Then you know when he's going to pop out or where he's going to pop out. And he must be swimming around in a circle. Oh, there he is. Hi, Mr. Otter.
You have a really clear view of the beaver on the other side.
I was going to say, go see the beaver on the other side.
Me?
Exactly.
Okay. Really beautiful. Very beautiful. There's some fishes in here somewhere. Hi. Hi. Oh, look at him. Aw. It looks like a porcupine. Oh, look at that. What are you doing? He's like, let me out. Cade's in filming the beaver over here. Getting all sides of the beaver. Hi, buddy. Look down. Look down here. Cade, move your... No, there. Buddy. He looks like he's trying to get out. He's gnawing on the fence. That is a big beaver.
Bobcat.
Ah, camera. Hi,
Hey, Wiley.
Wiley Coyote. Very nice coyote. What are you? You're a coyote from Canis Lartons. Coyote Steve Thompson, USA.
There's one and then another one. That's the old one. So that one lays down.
Yeah, I think he's under there somewhere on that bench.
Little house over there.
And then this is Wiley Coyote. Original name. If you like Looney Tunes, then this is a coyote named after that.
Okay. Well, I'll see you in about 2 hours.
This is the Bobcat. Really pretty. He was moving around earlier. He's not moving around right now, but yeah. Mr. Kitty is tired, or Mr. Bobcat's tired. He's sleeping in his little tube. He's actually moving a little bit. And this gray fox is blind and is 15 years old. He had a brother, died 2 years ago. What was his name?
His name is Mike.
Mike.
This one's name is Ike.
This one's name is Ike, and his brother was Mike. So, gray fox. This is Blueberry the Bobcat. Don't know how old he is, but he is very comfy. He is very soft, and his name is Blueberry. He likes to look at me. And this is Wiley Coyote. He's like 17, and he's a coyote. Very, very nice. Very nice coyote. Don't you think he's a cool coyote, Kate?
Here he comes.
Oh, hi, buddy. Oh, you don't
Scared him.
you don't like that? Okay. Thanks, Cade. You scared him away.
Scared him.
Oh, you're back.
Hi, Wiley.
Hi, Wiley. Enjoy your big habitat. Very, very pretty bobcat. Very. Oh, well, he doesn't want to look at me anymore. This is probably my favorite part right here. Please.
Very well, so probably gonna keep that. So, aside from every other animal here, he's the only one that was ever kept as a legal pet.
Okay.
Somehow, the people that had him got him from a breeder. They lived out in Yukon, out west here, and they had him for 3 years. And then, as we were told, he started being aware, kind of just being more of a hassle than they thought he was going to be. And they surrendered him, and the Wild Heart Ranch couldn't really keep him, so they asked us if we could take him, and we had a spot open, so we took him.
So that's
That we found out. And then there are other red fox down there. I'm not sure if she was a pet or not, but just as tame as she is, we think she might have been because she was a neighborhood nuisance, and Animal Control took her in. We ended up with her too.
so the bobcat was illegal.
Yes.
Okay, that's why.
Born in captivity, never been in the wild once.
Gotcha.
This is as wild as it's ever got.
I was gonna say, yeah, they're really skittish usually. So that makes sense, though. So that would be a good fit here. I mean, really cool for people to learn and see. Yeah, I can see you taking one.
What? There's a deer?
It was on the road.
That's fine. They cry. Does he ever cry?
Usually, like today, he's done it 3 times so far. He didn't do it the last time people came in here, but as soon as we walk away, he starts
He starts.
Yeah.
Yeah. We had Bobcat get treed by a bunch of crows, and we literally thought it was a baby crow. And we thought he got up. What in the world's going on here?
Play it again. I think there were. That sounded like me. One more look at the gray fox. Because he is cool. Hey, buddy, look at me. Oh, well, I guess I'll just let him rest.
The problem there is that a lot of people, I don't know what makes it illegal. A lot of times people will find an animal that they think is maybe abandoned and it's not, or
Yes.
something along those lines, and they're like, I'm gonna help it. And then once they help it, like, well, can't let it go now, and then they keep it for a while, and then they get beyond that to the like, I can't stand this anymore phase. And then that's when they're like, here, take it, wildlife department, I found it, I don't know where it came from. It's like, okay, you had this as a pet, and you realize they're terrible pets.
Yeah.
That's usually what happens, I think.
That would make sense for a coyote.
So never have a coyote as a pet. For all of you who watch this, do not have a coyote as a pet, because these things are very, very, sometimes very dangerous. So, life lesson. Don't have a coyote as a pet. You can't see the other fox, but he's under here somewhere.
They have a tendency to like bite at you more than like a dog would.
Turtles are under the rock somewhere right there. One more look at the beaver and otter if they're still out here. Please do not touch or feed animals. Looks like the beaver's still having fun out here. But the otter is disappeared. Oh. Something's in here. Looks like this. It's a crafting room or something. That beaver over there is trying to chew its way out of that fence. Like, literally. Here, that's the beaver chewing on the metal over there. This is Mr. Bald Eagle. This guy right here. Very, very cool creatures, by the way. It's right there if you don't see him. Very cool animal. I'll take one last walk through this part. Snakes. We're going to exit out the beautiful door over here. And that is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this amazing Cherokee area. And I will see y'all next time with our next video on TNS Studios.